Hiro Media is a full solution provider for video advertisements. We have a solution both for the sell side, the publishers, and for the buy side. We encompass a wide variety of solutions, starting of course with the ad serving and the management of the campaigns, ability to optimize, target and optimize the campaigns to the relative people, along with the consultant that we give and support, and of course actionable analytics in the end that our clients can make wise decisions about their next campaigns and media buys. I'll tell you a little bit about our sell-side solution. So the sell-side solution is based mainly for the media owners, the sites. We have a solution both for premium sites and for syndicators. Syndicators are actually big content providers that would like to distribute their content to as many sites as possible and monetize it with the right ads, the appropriate ads on their content. And in Hiro Media we actually realize that there's an unaddressed field with these people, and we actually help them to maximize their revenue using a multidimensional algorithm that allows the right advert to get into their content with low latency, highest CPM, but also we take into consideration the fill rate of the ad networks. So it's not only about which ad networks gives us the biggest CPM, which is what is commonly used in the market. We actually have a multi-layered algorithm that also calculates the fill rate of those ad networks and the latency of the ad load. And we optimize all of that to make sure that the ads come on as quickly as possible and that would make the most revenue for the content owners. For agencies, our product is a bit different. What we would like to give the agencies is the most control over their budget, the ability to target their ads to the right content at the right time and serve it to the right person. So if we talk about the solution on this side, we actually have a few things which are very distinctive for us. We have a patent pending URL sniffing, which actually allows us to indicate on which content the user is watching the video. And that way we can actually target the right ads without any need for cookies at all. Basically this is a patent that we're pending currently to get out with, and it's the ability to actually realize in which content the user sees the video. So we can recognize whether this TV show is aimed for kids, for adults, for males, for females, any demographic segmentation that you would like, and that gives the ability for agencies to then say, okay, this campaign is targeted for women between 20 to 35, and I will serve it when this woman is watching that video. And all of that is without any cookies. So this is something extremely new in the market because cookies is the big thing now. I know that DSPs and exchanges, they work mainly on users cookie level database, which actually there's a wide knowledge about the specific user, what are his preferences, and so on. And we work differently. We work only by recognizing the content which the user is watching the video on, and then being able to target the appropriate ad for that video content. I think what puts Hiro in a good position here is that we're always on top of the market's trend. We listen all the time about what's going on, what's happening, what's new, what are our clients' needs. This is something that we give a lot of time to actually listen to what our clients need, both on the sell side and the buy side, and make sure that our solutions are always up to date with the market's trends and with our clients' needs. And I think that one of the things that really are a big differentiator for Hiro is the flexibility that we have, that once we realize our client needs a specific feature, the turnover time till it's actually produced and released into our platform is within weeks. We have a few sales guys here in the US, both on the West Coast and the East Coast, And yeah, I feel it's a good time for Hiro. I think we're in front of a big leap. And yeah, we also have presence in Europe and also in Asia. And yeah, great things are happening. I think it's yeah, it's mainly due to the people that make Hiro, that have such strong belief in it, because the people who are behind it are both TV and advertisement executives. They have the background to know what media is all about. They've been media planners in their past, so they know what kind of hectic problems these people come across on one hand, and on the other hand we have very good technology people, the best in the market. So I think the combination of both TV people and advertisement people and technology people combined together is something that makes Hiro very attractive.